Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study what is the root of an equation and intermediate value theorem. Okay, so the root of an equation means it is the value of x which will satisfy the equation. So, satisfy the equation means what? For example, we have plotted, say, some equation. This is the curve. Okay, this is the curve which is shown. So it is crossing the x-axis at this corresponding point where the value of the equation will become 0. So that is called as the root of an equation. Okay. So some of the function may have multiple roots, some of the function may have single root. Okay. So definition of a root is the value of x which satisfies f of x. So satisfies means it makes the value of f of x to become 0 is called as root of an equation. It is necessary to determine the number of roots in f of x and interval which where these roots exist. Okay, different numerical methods are there to use to you different numerical methods are then used to find out the exact value of the root. So we are going to I hope you have understood the concept of root. Okay, so root is a value of x which satisfies the function. So going to the first method, which is an intermediate value theorem. So basically, this theorem is used to find out whether the root lie between the given interval or not. Okay, so given interval or not, meaning that suppose we have a value a and we have a value b given, then let us see this is the value of a and it is say some function x square plus 2x plus 1 like this. So if you put the value of x as a and find out the value of a function, the value will be here. So this point on the curve is called as f of a. Okay, whereas if you put the value b in the function, considering this is one of the approximation, then we will find out f of b, I mean the value of function as positive something, say positive 3. Let us say this is 3. So here we will get the answer plus 3 and here let us say it is minus 4. Okay, so this is minus 4 and this is plus 3. So what intermediate value theorem states? So it states that if f of a into f of b is less than 0, then we can surely say that the root lies in between these 2 points. Okay, so this is minus 4, this is plus 3, so product will be minus, so it will be less than 0. So with the help of intermediate value theorem, we can surely claim that surely the root is definitely in between a and b. Okay, now further again if we apply the intermediate value theorem somewhere here and here, say a1 and b1, then again it will satisfy. So we will go and narrow down the scope and finally we will get the root. Okay, so intermediate value theorem only defines us whether root lies in between the given interval or not. If f of a into f of b is not less than 0, then root will not lie between the given interval. For example, say this is the a point and here I take the b point. Okay, suppose here I take the b point, then surely both are negative, so product will be positive and root will not lie. Or otherwise say this is b and this is b dash, and if we take these 2 points as an interval, both are positive, so product will be positive, it is not less than 0, so surely root is not lying in between them. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept of intermediate value theorem. Let us see one example based on this. For example, f of x is x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So this is a function given to us and here are different values and we have to find out where the root lie. Okay, let us say x is minus 2, x is 0, x is 1 or x is 3. So we'll find out f of x for these different values of x. So if I put minus 2 in the equation, minus 2 square will be plus 4, 4 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so this way you have to follow that. So if you find out f of x and if we find out the values of f of x, let us say we will get these values. Okay, see here x square, so minus 2 ka square will be plus 4 minus x, so minus of minus 2 will be plus 2, so plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled and it will be 4. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate the f of x. So if we find out the f of x, then check the product by intermediate value theorem. So 4 into minus 2 result will be minus, so surely root will lie in between minus 2 and 0. minus 2 result will be positive, product will be positive. So surely root is not there in between 0 and 1. Now minus 2 into 4 will be minus 8. So surely it is less than 0. So surely root is there in between 1 and 3. So what we can conclude is there is one root between minus 2 and 0, and there is one more root between 1 and 3. Okay. So this is what we can comment from the intermediate value theorem. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment. If you have understood, it's okay. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for today.